Hi besties, today we are going to be making pap together. So the ingredients needed for this is the yellow corn, I have the brown millet and also the yellow millet. The yellow millet is actually called another name which I can't remember the name right now. The first step is for you to soak these three ingredients into water for 3 days or to 4 days. After that, you are going to now for those 3 days you are going to be sieving the water, like you'll be removing the water on top and then replacing it with another water, because you need that fermentation process. After that, you are going to add your ginger, if you want to use dates or any other ingredients. After that, you blend it just the way you saw me blending it. Then you are going to sieve it like this. There are 2 ways to sieving this. You can sieve it the way I am doing it right now, like this. You sieve it with your cloth sieve, and then you remove all the juice. And you can also extract the juice also by using a double sieve method. This method is actually very easy, this one that I'm doing right now. The other sieve method is for you to just remove make sure you are extracting all the juice and also all the, how would I say it, should I use milk? This is the second method I'm talking about. This one will help you to make sure that all the juice that is needed is already extracted. After this, you are going to let this mixture or the water that is coming out of the shaft, you will let it rest or settle down for a while. This is it. This is the first day that I removed the milk from that's the pap from this thing, and this is the second day. You can see that it has separated well. Then after that, I removed the water on top and left the pap. So this is the last process. Some people will just leave it like that, but me, I like the pap to be thick a little bit, so I'm going to sieve it again. This time around, I'll just leave it for a day. After sieving it, I will make sure that the sieve is placed above, or you have something heavy to put it on it, or it is placed above. When I say above, you understand what I mean when you see the ending of this video. So after that, you are just going to extract the water just like this. Yes, some people will still need that water, but me, I just need the thickness of the pap because I want to refrigerate this pap. After tying it and making sure that the remaining water have been sieved, then you are now going to place it in a container or in any jar that you would like and put it in the fridge. Make sure you refrigerate it so that it doesn't spoil or become too fermented or something. And I think if you leave it outside, it's not okay for you to leave it outside. So after this, you are just going to cook it the way you like it. You can make it as pap, or you make it as eko or agidi, which you can use to eat soup or anything. I've made this as a pap, which I showed you at the ending of this video, and I've also made it as eko or agidi, because after making it, all I did is that I used the remaining one, I place it in the fridge. That's after cooking it, and then it's solidified. This is what I was talking about when I said you put it on top of the water, because it should not be immersed in the water. So I'm showing you how it is not, yes, in the container it is not touching that water. So thank you for watching to this point. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and also share it with anybody that is willing to learn. So this is what I have at the ending of the process, and then I also made pap with it. Thank you for watching. I would also like to add that for those of us in diaspora, you can always get the millet online. Those in the Philippines can get it on Shopee. It's mostly sold with all these bed foods and all these pet foods. You can get it online on Shopee. I got mine delivered within 3 days of me ordering it, so you can always get it. And I got my corn at the market. It's already a pre-peeled corn. You can always also get the corn on the cob. Then you can use knife to separate it from the cob. You can do that. And mine was not dried corn, it was wet corn, because at the end of the day you are still going to soak it for 3 days. So even if it is dried, it will become fermented, and it will become wet also. So thank you for watching this video. You can see how my pap came out. I used milk and everything that I needed to.